The portable power station 330W with a 120W solar panel represents a versatile solution for those seeking a reliable source of energy, particularly in off-grid situations or during outdoor adventures. This product is designed to cater to the growing need for portable power, thanks to its compact size and integrated solar capabilities. At a glance, this power station offers a nominal output of 330 watts, which can effectively support a variety of devices and appliances. It features multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB-A ports, and USB-C ports, making it suitable for charging smartphones, laptops, small appliances, and even cameras. The inclusion of a 120W solar panel further enhances its appeal, allowing users to harness solar energy for sustainable charging options. One noteworthy feature of the portable power station is its fast charging capability. This can be particularly advantageous during lengthy outdoor trips, where access to traditional power sources may be limited. The unit can be charged via the solar panel, a wall outlet, or a car adapter, providing flexibility in how it can be powered. In ideal conditions, the solar panel allows for an efficient recharge, which is beneficial for extended camping trips or emergency situations. When it comes to usage, this power station is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The interface typically features an easy-to-read LED display that provides information about the remaining battery life and the output power being used. This allows users to manage their power consumption effectively. Additionally, its lightweight and compact design make it convenient to transport, whether for a day trip, camping excursion, or even for use in a home office setting during power outages. In conclusion, the portable power station 330W with a 120W solar panel offers a practical solution for anyone in need of portable power. Its combination of multiple charging options, user-friendly design, and solar capabilities ensures it is well-suited for a variety of scenarios. Whether you are embarking on a weekend camping trip or preparing for emergencies, this power station might provide the reliability and convenience necessary for a range of devices.